Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. A to Z. Green color, violet color, gold color, red color, pink color, black color, orange color, silver color, brown color, yellow color. First, violet color. Violet color, A. A for apple. A for ant. Violet color, B. B for ball. B for bat. Violet color, C. C for cake. Violet color, D. D for dolphin. Violet color, E. E for elephant. Violet color, F. F for fish. Violet color, G. G for gold. Orange color. Orange color, H. H for house. H for horse. Orange color, I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. Orange color, J. J for jug. J for jackfruit. Orange color, K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Orange color, L. L for light. Orange color, M. M for mango. Orange color, M. M for monkey. Orange color, N. N for necklace. N for night. Pink color. Pink color, O. O for owl. Pink color, P. P for parrot. Pink color, Q. Q for quilt. Pink color, R. R for rat. Pink color, S. S for snake. Pink color, T. T for tiger. Pink color, U. U for umbrella. Red color. Red color, V. V for vase. V for vehicle. Red color, W. W for watermelon. W for window. Red color, X. X for X-ray. Red color, Y. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Red color, Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.